welcome back. Today I've got a gun review on the Hammerli Forge H1. Now these are 22 pistols, and since I'm posting this video on YouTube, you're going to be very limited in the information I can give you because it's deemed illegal by YouTube. And so if you want real information other than me shooting the gun and showing you shooting the gun, you're going to have to go over to a platform that's more Second Amendment friendly, if you will. It was Gunstreamer, but now Gunstreamer seems to be dead, so let's go over to Rumble. So if you're not already a user of Rumble, go over there, get yourself a subscriber or a user ID and sign up. It's free. It's just like YouTube used to be, where you could actually say whatever you want to do or post stuff that you want to do without the censorship. Nevertheless, if you want to see more information on these guns, I will take them apart and show you, which is illegal here on YouTube, show you what they're made of, how to take them apart, what parts are interchangeable with each other and such. That's where you're going to find that information on Rumble. For here, I can show you the pistol itself. This is the 5-inch version, and this is the 4 1/4 inch version. Personally, I like the 4 1/4 inch version. It feels just better in the hands. Now, these guns are branded Hammerli, but they're actually a Walther, and this is the Colt Walther. So they're basically the same guns. The guns come with 2 magazines each, and they're going to be branded Hammerli on there, but it's just the same magazine as the Colt. So if you're looking for magazines for these particular guns, if you see some Colt magazines out there, they're going to come in 12 and 10 round mags. For the Colt, these are going to work in this gun no problem at all. Basically all the parts that are on the Colt are going to be on this thing too. So if you see aftermarket parts for that, they're going to work in this. Now this one here is a 16 round magazine with a base pad on it. These are some parts that I make, and I'll have I can't put the link in here in the description actually because that's illegal from YouTube. Speaking of that, if you see comments are disabled on this video or any of my videos, that's not me. That's YouTube doing that because my information is just too damn illegal for you. Too scary. And also, if you see any ads running on my videos, I haven't had ads for years. So if they're running on there, that's because YouTube is making money on those ads. Not me. I've turned off my ad revenue years ago. So any ads on this video, sorry about it. It's not me. It's YouTube. All right, nevertheless, let's go back to the guns. So I like the 4 3/4 or the 4 1/4 inch gun better. The main differences is basically the length of the gun, the slide, and that is absolutely it in the barrel. Now I did suppress both of these guns, and I don't recommend it. There was a lot of blowback through the cracks back here, a lot in your face. You want to make sure you're wearing glasses when you do that. There are serrations on both of these guns, unlike the Colt, which is like a slab type gun. This gun is good. I think these guns are better mainly because of the serrations, and they just feel better in my opinion here. They both come with the same guide rod. It's not quite a full length. It's a full length in this one, and not a full length in this one. So they're using an extra part in here that helps guide that rod, if you will, for this. But that basically is the only difference. I did remove the front sight on the 4 1/4, and now I put in a fiber optic front sight. And if you know me or you're familiar with the channel, you know where to get this over my website, Taylor Tactical Supply. This gun here is shooting super low for me right out of the box. Not sure if this one's right on, so I was having a hard time hitting even after I replaced the front sight with the correct same front sight height as what came off. So what I think I'm going to do next is replace the rear sight as well. You can easily adjust this if you're getting point of impact too high, too low. Neither one of these sights on these guns are adjustable up and down for elevation. You're only going to get left and right. So the thing to do is to use a sight calculator, and I should have a description of that as well. It's on the Dawson website. I think that one's safe. Well, no, it's a gun site, so you can't put that on. It's DawsonPrecision.com. is where you want to go, and they have a sight calculator, and using that tool you can calculate the sight height that you need for your point of impact. So give that a shot if you're interested. Also, Both guns have a rail on them, which unlike this version of the Colt, this is the Gold Cup. There is a railgun Colt as well, but this one is my Gold Cup version. And you'll notice I do have a full-length guide rod in it, a stainless steel. This one does not come with a full-length guide rod. Once again, I make those parts as well. Like I said, both guns are nice to shoot. And as you can tell, that's all you get on YouTube. And here's some closing videos of me shooting the gun. Be sure and subscribe to the channel and go over to Rumble and check me out there. I'm slowly migrating my videos to Rumble. Thanks everybody, and see you next time. Does that one seem to bounce a lot more?